You bet I'm a trendsetter too. Fire when the storm hits you.
That's it, Brian?
Yes.
Bet you're looking for something new. Staring never cracks through.
They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty, 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 trying to catch me riding dirty. My music.
Yeah, okay, but let's go.
In the club with my homies, tryna get a little VI. Keep it down on the low key. You should know how it feels. I saw the shorty, she was checking up on me. From the game, she was sitting in my ear. You would think that she knew me. Decided to cheat. Conversation.
Bad bitch alert, oh yeah. She a bad one, oh yeah. She a bad.
Bad bitch alert, bad bitch alert, they mad bitch alert. Cause they trash in the dirt, that's when they hurt. Talk trash in your murk, scratch what you heard. These hands fast in their work. So what's poppin' trig? Got him chanting Cardi every time I'm walking in. That's that bad bitch alert, they know what time it's in.